Hoover Dam. That is awesome. We're looking down at Hoover Dam.
All right. We are driving across the Hoover Dam.
It's cool. Never been here before, so this is pretty cool. We're too cheap to pay the $10 fee to walk out on it, so we're driving across it. We just drove across Hoover Dam. There's the dam from this side. It's Hoover Dam. I think we're on the Arizona side of Hoover Dam. Let's see where the water level used to be. This is another view from the Arizona side. We're here at Hoover Dam.